Hey, look, I got another box. Right, okay, so what's inside this small box? Well, let's bring it a bit closer so you can see. There we go, that's what's inside the box, as long as the camera's focusing. Now let's step back a bit. Now I'll put the company's name by here. It'll be by here, okay? That's the company for this box. Now, they sent out this box to me. They said, do you want to try it in your car? Now my car, which is just behind the fence by there, I got Apple Carplay and Android Auto, but it's only wired, it's not wirelessly. So I thought, yes, I'll try the box, I'll see what it's all about. So let's unbox this, then we'll put it in the car. We'll see how easy it is to connect and if it's worth it. I mean, is it worth me not plugging in my phone? We'll have a look. We'll have a look together. So let's unbox it. It'll be quick because there's not much in the box. So let's unbox it. Right, okay, let's try and get this black bit out of this outer case here. So it's easier said than done. So it's in there quite tight. Oh, there it goes. There it is. Right, it's out. Let's turn it around that way. Lift it up. And there we go. Ta-da! So there's a little small black box there with a car on the front. Let's turn it around. Nothing on the back. Then by there, look, we've got a USB-C connector. And that's it. Now let's have a look underneath here. Let's take that out of there. We've got a USB-C to USB-C and a USB-C to USB-A. Now, that's the lead I'm going to need for the car. And then we got the instructions under there. And it's FBINSE, that's what it looks like, FBINSE, that looks like what it's called. And we got the instruction manual there. So I'll read the instructions and then we'll go to the car and see what it's like. I'm looking at the instructions and it looks incredibly easy. So it says plug that into the USB port there on that picture there where my thumb is. And then on this page here, it just says turn on your iPhone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. I've got an Android phone, so it'll be exactly the same. And connect the product's Bluetooth to that name there. Wait for the prompt, the car to connect. Click use CarPlay. And it says by there, Android Auto. After connecting to this product, there won't be any screen display. So that's for the Android Auto version there. Is anything else of note? I tell you what, let's just plug it in and see what happens. Right, okay, so I've plugged that in there. That's my USB port for this head unit here. And this has come up, please connect Bluetooth, blah, 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 blah. So I'm going to connect on here on my phone here. So I'll pair a new device and we'll look for that name. There it is there, look. Bish. Let's have some of that. And then we wait for that to connect. And we'll say pay. And then everything should be tickety-boo. So that's paid now. And it says Apple CarPlay stopped running. The Apple CarPlay device has been disconnected from the USB. So let's have a look what I got to do next now. Because that's gone back to the original. This is my head unit sat-nav. So we'll have a look at the next steps we got to do next. Something's happening with the phone there. So let me just wait. Let me just have a look what happens. I'll get back to you. Right, okay. As soon as I turned off record, it actually connected wirelessly. So look, the phone is doing it wirelessly now. All I've done is plug that in, connect to the Bluetooth, and there it is. It's working perfectly at the moment. So let me just try a few things, see what it's like, because it's all seems to be working okay. Everything seems to be fine. There's no delay, there's no lag, nothing. So let me try this for a while, and then I'll get back to you and see if it's any good. Because what I want to do now is I want to get out of the car, turn it off, then walk to the car, jump in with my phone, and then everything should connect without me doing anything. So let's see if that's what happens. So I got it plugged in, so let's sneak up to the car, jump in the car, start the car up, and see how quick it starts up. Let's go. Right, let's get in and see what it's like. Right, here we go then. Right, okay, so now I'm in the car, I've turned everything off. The phone is in sort of sleep mode, you know what I mean, don't you? It's not asleep, you know what I mean. The screen is off. So this is off, this is turned off, the car's turned off. So I'm going to press this button now. Now, this actual head unit in my car does take a little while to load up. Now, usually what I do is, if I didn't have this little device down here, this wireless device, I plug the phone directly into this lead, and it does take some time to come on. It doesn't come on straight away. So with that being said, let's press the button. Let's turn this car on like so. So the car will come on now. Now this screen does take a while to load up. It'll go through the motions. It'll say Nissan, and then it'll give me a little prompt. After this Nissan Connect, it'll give me a prompt, and I gotta press OK. Every single time in this car, I gotta press OK. I don't know why it keeps asking me, but anyway, it should pop up there. I'll press OK. Now, we'll wait now. Is anything gonna happen? We'll see now. Now, this is not like I said, when I do the lead, it does take a while. Something's happened there, look. Something's happened on the phone. Look, I can see Android popping up on the phone. There we go. And it's on. Look at that. That was quite fast. That was quite fast. It was actually probably faster than me when I come in and try and put it in there, because that's one step I don't have to do. Now, there is one little issue that I can see. When I plug my phone in to this lead here, it does actually charge the phone at the same time. So so if I'm in a rush and I want to get in the car and my phone's in my pocket, it'll come on straight away. But if I want to charge my phone, I haven't got like this car hasn't got one of them wireless charging things. Now, some cars do. This car doesn't. So I would have to plug it in if I wanted to charge it. But if I didn't, it's there. Look. Now I could put a charge thing there, couldn't I? And have the best of both worlds. I could put a charge USB thing there and charge a phone when I need to. And that's plugged in, so when I just jump in the car, straight away, it pops up. Fantastic. Right, okay, so I've jumped in my new car. I don't know if you've seen on my channel, I'm doing up a Hyundai Nissan Kona. It's a bit of damage on the front, but I jumped in this car now. So this car has a USB, and it has a wireless charging. You know, it's wireless, the charging is. So I'll bang my phone on the wireless charger. I'll bang the USB in there, and then we'll see if it comes up quickly on this screen. So let's put it all together and we'll try this one. Right, okay, so I've put all that in there. Let's start this car up now. Let's see how long this one takes now. Making some bings and bongs. Let's confirm there. And then we'll wait and see what happens. Ready in USB-C, Android Auto. Let's see if that's going on it. Something's happening there. When safe, unlock your phone to start. Android Auto. So this one is asking me to unlock my phone, which is a pain in the bum. I don't know why this one's doing that and the other one's not. So let me just unlock my phone. So my phone is charging, that's in there. It says it's connected to that. Do I have to press Android? I assume I do, don't I? I assume I got to press Android Auto on there. There we go. So this car's interface is slightly different to the other one. It does it automatically in the other one. Now I might be able to go into the settings and change that on there. So my phone is charging, that's in there. So if you've got a like a wireless charger, it all works tickety-boo. Now this car is quite new, it's quite modern, it's 2020, but it hasn't got wireless Android Auto. You still got to plug it in. So there we go. Okay then, there you go. You just plug it in, connect to the Bluetooth, and it works. And I've been trying it, and it works. It works seamlessly. It works every single time. So there we go. All the links will be down in the description below. And if you did like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.